Yo, what's up everybody? Today I'm doing a quick unboxing video for my new standalone ECU and wiring harness. It's the fast fuel air spark technology standalone ECU, as well as the digital gauge, ejector harness, and the main harness. So I'm going to be throwing this in my 240SX hatchback, running a 5.3 L33 GM engine. So yeah, let's dive into it. First off, we got our fast digital gauge. This has everything except for, I think, oil pressure, so I got to tap that one with a separate gauge. But this is pretty cool. It actually is a self-tuning ECU, so all you have to do is put in the specs of your cam, what engine you're running, like all the details, and it actually tunes it on its own when you drive it around after you start it up for the first time. It learns on its own, and supposedly you don't need a laptop or any kind of tuning experience or take it to a tuner, so that's pretty cool. That'll make it way easier instead of going to get it tuned every single time I change some kind of bolt-on part. So like here we got our actual main harness that goes with the ECU, the engine. Everything looks pretty well labeled. The loom looks pretty nice. I think they could have went a step higher on it, but it looks pretty good. Everything looks clean. I don't think I'll have any issues with it heat-wise, hopefully. Everything's super organized and labeled. Everything is labeled, so that's nice. Then we have the cable for the gauge. Actually, on this one, it's a little bit smaller than I would like. Let's see. Put it down as reference here. So here's 1.25 inch deep socket for impact. So it's pretty small. I wish it was a little bit bigger, but I think it'll be cool. Maybe I can mount it with some metal instead of a suction cup somehow, and I don't know, like put it into a piece of carbon fiber in the dash or something. We'll see. Comes with an O2 sensor. This one runs off a single O2 sensor. Here's the ECU, standalone ECU, Efi 2.0 is the one I'm running. I think it's good for up to like 1500 horsepower. It's E85 capable. Pretty cool. Feels pretty robust. Yeah, I'm pretty excited about this. It's gonna be sweet. Looks like extra loom here. Extra loom. Here's our multi-port harness. And once again, same. So yeah, I mean overall everything looks pretty good. What is this? That's cool. A little badge there. Bam! Just like that. Oh, here's the mount for the. So it's kind of like a Garmin mount. Looks like some AN fittings. Cool. So yeah, cool. That's it. I guess I'll do an install video when I'm putting this all in, and then probably a tuning video, and then an update. But anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.